Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Peace be upon us. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Astrianto Setiadi. I am a doctoral student of Universitas Negeri Makassar. And thank you to all the organizer and the committee of this international seminar. And in this time, I will present a paper with the title Potential Benefits of Artificial Intelligence-Based Instruction Implementation in English Academic Writing Course, a case study at an Indonesian private university. And in this paper, there will be 5 parts that I will explain. They are first introduction, theoretical review, a research method, findings and discussion, and finally about the conclusion. Okay, first I would like to explain about the introduction. Artificial intelligence is a part of computer science that focuses on creating smart machines that can think and act like the humans. These AI systems can solve problems, understand information, and make decisions similar to how people do. As I know that artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines with human-like capabilities. AI is designed to think, learn, and act like the human, such as understanding complex information, solving problem logically, and making decisions based on the data. For examples, AI system can recognize voices such as a virtual assistant and analyze medical data uh, for diagnosing or even drive the cars automatically. By imitating human intelligence, these technologies allow machines to work more effectively and efficiently on tasks that would normally require human reasoning, adaptation, and also creativity. The integration of artificial intelligence into English language teaching is revolutionizing pedagogical approaches and offering new learning experiences and reshaping traditional classroom dynamics. The use of artificial intelligence in English language teaching is changing the teaching and learning by making it more interactive and personalized, and shifting the roles of the teacher and the students in the classroom. For example, the use of chatbot application for the conversational practice, AI for writing, for instant correction or adaptive material according to the student's level. And then, although there has been a lot of research on integrating artificial intelligence in education in Indonesia, but there is still a lack of empirical investigation into how Indonesian lecturers actually perceive the use of these tools in their teaching and writing development. As I know that there are many experts that have been doing the research about AI in education, but there is still a gap that there is no in-depth study of the lecturer perception or the lecturer's view about the use of artificial intelligence in teaching and developing teaching materials, especially for academic writing course. That is why I interested to investigate about the integration of artificial intelligence in the teaching of English writing course, academic writing course. Okay. Artificial intelligence. The term of artificial intelligence was first introduced by John McCarthy of MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1956. As I know that the year of 1956 is characterized as the official birth of artificial intelligence as an academic discipline. And then the term came when McCarthy and the other scientists, such as Marvin Minsky, began to explore about how to create machines that could think like the humans. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing numerous facets of education, and English language teaching is no exception. That is why it's offering a multitude of opportunities to enhance pedagogical approaches and the students' learning outcomes. AI, especially here, brings a great chance of opportunity in education, including in English language teaching, by providing the new ways to enriching teaching methods and improve the students' learning outcomes. There are three key points here. The parts about the transformation of education, especially when AI is changing the traditional way of teaching and learning. The second key point is focus on English. For example, when we use chatbot for speaking practice or AI grading for automated assessment. And then the third key point is tangible benefits, where English teaching become more effective methods and more measurable learning outcomes. That is why AI is not just about the technology, but it's also a tool for supporting the innovation in English classroom. AI-driven platforms empower the students to take command of their education, fostering and promoting independent learning skills for them for lifelong learning endeavors. AI-based platforms, of course, can allow the students to be more independent in their learning. And then with three main benefits here. The first about the independence, where the student can set their own learning style or their learning self-regulation. And then about learning skills, where AI trains independent learning skills. And then the future preparations, where AI can establish lifelong learning habits. Okay, the next about academic writing. Academic writing is an important skill for students, academics and professional alike, because the students' competence in writing academic is good competence for these three groups. The first about the students, where the students can write about their assignment in the classroom or about writing their thesis or publication. And then for the lecturer or academician, they use academic writing in their research and also about publishing the article, a scientific article. And then for the professional, for example, they can make a technical report or policy brief. And then the rigor of academic writing is foster intellectual curiosity, critical thinking, and commitment to lifelong learning, all of which are essential for personal and professional growth. And then addressing common issues such as referencing, argumentation, and synthesizing sources is essential to effectively teaching academic writing. Okay, the integration of artificial intelligence in academic writing. The integration of artificial intelligence into English academic writing marked a significant evolution in how students learn and produce scholarly work. Of course, today, there are many kinds of application and there are many kinds of benefits about the integration of artificial in learning. That is why students can be more productive and more active in learning, especially in academic writing. This integration offers the potential for personalized learning experiences, enabling students to identify and address specific writing weakness more effectively, and AI can aid in brainstorming, outlining, and analyzing the rhetorical aspect of academic text. That is why the integration of artificial intelligence in academic writing is very essential in teaching and learning process for today. The next, in my preliminary observation about this study, there are many kinds of application that are already applied in teaching and learning of academic writing. For example, here there are three kinds of AI application. The first is about ChatGPT, where ChatGPT is a chatbot based on artificial intelligence technology that can perform conversational interaction with its user in sophisticated manner. And then also about Grammarly, where we can check the grammatical error of our academic writing. And then the last is about Quillbot, is an online paraphraser. Okay. And then the research method. The research design here, this research use qualitative case study research methodology, where case study research design and method emphasize about the empirical inquiry to investigate the phenomena in real life context. And then the research subject consisted of three lecturers of who taught English academic writing course. And then the research instrument and data collection. The data was collected through semi-structured interview with three English lecturer academic writing course. And then the data analysis will be analyzed by using thematic analysis by Miles and Haberman. There are four stages here. The first about data collection, data reduction, data display, and data conclusions. And then in the findings, I found that there are 5 potential benefits about the integration of artificial intelligence-based instruction, especially in teaching academic writing. The first is about personalized learning and feedback. The second, increase efficiency and productivity of the lecture. The third, improve quality of teaching and learning. The fourth, innovation in teaching method and preparation for the last for preparation for of students for their future. The key insight about personalized learning and feedback, there are 3 points here. The first, emphasizing the user's need by identifying each student's unique strength and weakness. AI enables personalized feedback for the students. And then the second point is about leveraging technology, where AI can help the lecturers target specific areas for the improvement of the students. And then the importance of collaboration, and AI enhance the process by saving the time and offering scalable, consistent analysis, and teaching become more effective. And then the key insight about the second findings is about increased efficiency and productivity of the lecturer. There are three here. The first, where AI can streamline teaching, and I enhance lecturer efficiency by automating routine tasks like grammar checks, spelling correction, and plagiarism detection. And then the second, empower educators. It AI allow educators to redirect their efforts toward higher value feedback. And then the last, about transformative efficiency. This shift only boosts productivity of the lecture. And then the next, about improve quality teaching and learning in academic writing, the academic liberation by automating fundamental aspect of academic writing instruction through AI. Then elevated education. This is crucial shift allow them to dedicate their expertise and classroom time to cultivating higher order cognitive skill in the students, and then the last TOEFL mastery. The fourth findings is about innovation in teaching method. There are 3 points here. The first is beyond the essay, and then the second interactive learning, and then active innovation. And then the last findings here is about preparation of students for the digital era. There are 3 points here. For example, future ready writing, critical technological literacy, and then technological empowered minds. And then in the conclusion of this article, the finding of this study from the perspective of lecturers at an Indonesian private university strongly suggests that the integration of artificial intelligence holds significant promise for enhancing teaching and learning of academic writing. The potential benefits identifies like personalized learning, increase lecturer efficiency, improve quality of instruction, innovative teaching methods, and preparation for the digital era, as well as supported by established educational theories and address key challenges and opportunities in contemporary higher education.